Imagine standing on the surface of the sun. What would you hear? Silence, right? After all, space is a vacuum, and a vacuum can't carry sound. But what if I told you the sun makes sound? Not just a little, but a constant, thunderous symphony that echoes through its very core. A sound so powerful, it allows us to peer into its deepest secrets. It sounds impossible, but our sun is a giant vibrating bell, constantly ringing with millions of distinct musical notes. To understand how, we have to remember what sound is, a vibration traveling through a medium. In the emptiness of space, there's no medium for sound to reach us, but the sun isn't empty. It's a superheated state of matter called plasma, a swirling, electrically charged fluid. Deep inside, it's a cosmic boiling pot. Hot plasma rises, cools, and then sinks, creating colossal, turbulent motions. These motions generate immense pressure waves, just like thunder in our atmosphere. Those are the sun's sound waves. These acoustic waves travel through the sun's plasma. When they reach the surface, they don't escape into space. They bounce back inwards, trapped, creating a complex pattern of vibrations that cause the entire sun to pulse and resonate like a giant drum. And this is where the magic of science comes in, a field called helioseismology, literally the study of sunquakes. Just as seismologists study earthquakes to map Earth's interior, solar physicists study these solar vibrations to map the sun's. They use specialized telescopes to detect incredibly subtle shifts in the light from the sun's surface. These tiny movements, known as Doppler shifts, reveal exactly how the surface is moving up and down as the sound waves pass through. It's an interstellar ultrasound for our star. By analyzing the frequencies and patterns of these solar sounds, scientists can reconstruct the sun's internal properties with astonishing precision. We can determine its temperature, its density, and its chemical composition at various depths. We've used this listening to map the sun's rotation, revealing that its equator spins faster than its poles. This knowledge helps us understand the solar dynamo, the engine that generates the sun's magnetic field and drives the 11-year cycle of sunspots and solar flares. Ultimately, this is crucial for predicting space weather, powerful solar storms that can impact our satellites and power grids right here on Earth. So, the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your face, remember this: our star isn't silent. It is a vibrant, living entity, constantly humming and resonating with the very forces that forge elements and sustain life. We may never hear its true voice with our ears, but through the ingenuity of science, we are learning to listen to its profound, hidden song, a cosmic melody that tells the story of our universe, one vibration at a time.